Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make double calculator using C++. Int number 1, int number 2, int number 3. These are three numbers used for a calculator. std cin and 1. Oops. std cout number and then I will std cout and 1. So anyways, now after that I'll do the same std cin and 2, and finally I'll do the same for n3, which is number 3. And now what I will do is that I will std cout operation 1 std cin and make a char called op1 and another char character called op2, operation 1, operation 2, print. Then put the value for operation 1, then print operation 2, Now I make a switch statement, switch operation 1 and finally I'll make two ints, v1 which will store the value of our first calculation and v2 which will store the value of the last calculation. If it's case plus then v1 equals to n1 plus n2 break case minus v1 equals n1 minus n2 break case times v1 equals to n1 times n2 break, and finally case divide v1 equals n1 divided by n2 break. I'll do the same thing, but instead I'll do for operation 2, and this will be v2 instead. And finally, I will print out v2 1, 2, 3, 4. Operation 1 going to be plus. Operation 2 is also going to be plus. I got 1 plus 3 plus 4, which is 8. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.